Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 210 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 210, which is 2. We bring down the first digit 2, we're using the 2 for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it one time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Now we subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0, easy peasy. Awesome job, you're doing great. We've finished with the first digit, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we have a remainder of 0. Now let's bring down the next digit from 210, which is 1. We bring down the 1 next to our 0, making our new number 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write down 0. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0, yep, still 0. Subtracting 0 from 1 leaves us with 1, we're on a roll. You're doing so well, keep up the fantastic work. We've got one more digit to go, let's bring it down. We have a remainder of 1, now let's bring down the last digit from 210, which is 0, look, we have 10. We bring down the 0 and it joins the 1 to make 10, we're using 2 digits now. How many times does 2 fit into 10? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 5. Let's see 5 times 2 equals 10, exactly right. Subtract 10 from 10 and we get 0, we're all done with the division. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed it, high five. And that's it, we've divided 210 by 2, you did an amazing job. So 210 divided by 2 equals 105. We just tackled dividing 210 by 2 step by step. Remember, breaking down big problems makes them super manageable. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Great job, everyone. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.